How to log out from Stripe account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out or log out from your Stripe account. If you have been logged into your Stripe account from any of your browser or device, then here's how you can sign out from it. First of all, open the web browser where you are signing into your Stripe account. Once you have opened the browser, here type in stripe.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter button to search for it, and within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Stripe. Here, if you are logged into your account, in this page at the top right, you'll be able to see dashboard option. Click on it, and this will take you to your dashboard of your Stripe account. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to see different icons. Go and search for the square icon, and once you locate it, click on it. By doing so, you'll be able to see this pop-up menu. From here, you'll be able to locate Sign Out option. Now simply click on this Sign Out and then you will be signed out from your Stripe account on this browser. After that, you will see you have successfully been signed out from your account. So this is how you can sign out or log out from your Stripe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.